Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So moving on, we are just going to mention one point. We've done this before. You probably forgot. It's automatically natural for English speakers, but just to point it out. I have the word, we have jumla, a quick recap. We have jumlatul ismiya. What is jumla ismiya made up of? Mubtada and khabar. What can you add before mubtada khabar? Fa'lun naqis, kana, and laysa. We could also add what? What's the same as laysa? Ma. And you could also add what? Ma, which is the same meaning as laysa. Ismu kana, ismu laysa, ismu ma. Khabar of kana, khabar of laysa, and khabar of ma. And you can also add inna. Yes? And you have the ism of inna and the khabar of inna. Before the mubtada, what can you add? Lamul ibtida'i for more emphasis. And you can also add the lamul muzahlaqa before the what? Before the khabar of inna. Then you have jumla fi'liya, you have fa'il, you have fa'il. If the fa'il is mudhakkar, you'll have to have fa'ala or yaf'alu. If the fa'il is mu'annas, you have to have fa'alat or taf'alu. Okay? Yes, everybody with me so far? Right. Now I want a bit of help translating here. So hazina yahzanu huznan means to be sad. So when I translate, I will say, for example, hazina Khalidun. Khalid, sadid. Present tense, Khalid, sads. And future tense, Khalid will sad. No? Why not? That's how you translate it. Present, past, and future. Khalid, sadid, you add ed, no? No? Are you sure? You call it to be verbs. What do you call it? To be verbs. Okay? If in the translation of the main word, hazina yahzanu, we have the word to be, then when you translate these verbs, what will happen? You leave, for example, to be sad or to be grieved. So you leave the word sad or grieved by itself. And you add the word, what we done in fi'l al-majhul, you add the is, was, the auxiliary verb. This will change. So the sad, which is the meaning, that stays the same. Okay, stays the same. What changes? The was, the is, the becomes before it. So Khalid became sad. Okay? Khalid becomes sad, not sadding or sads. Okay? So what changes? When you have a to be verb, the to be sad, the be will change. So Khalid was sad, Khalid became sad, Khalid is sad, Khalid will be sad. Okay? So it's quite common sense, but I just thought I'd point it out. So when you have these verbs, you know how to translate them. So for example, here what will happen? So fariha yafrahu, to be happy. So you leave happy as it is. You don't change that. Yes? That stays constant. And then what changes? The was, the become, the is, or the is being, or the will be. Those will change. Do you understand? Okay? So for the past tense, you say the man was happy, or you say the man became happy. So fariha, the man became happy. And in past habitual, the man, present habitual, the man is happy. Or the man is being happy. Is that word? Man is happy. You probably won't even say being happy. You probably say the man is happy. You won't say is being happy. The man is happy. Yeah, or he's being happy. Allahu alam. Yeah, you guys know better English. You get the idea. And future tense, man will be happy. Yes? You following? So ghabat Fatima, what ghaba yaghibu means? To be absent. So Fatima absented? No, what? Fatima was absent. It sounds a bit like jumla ismiya, doesn't it? Like if kana. But it's not. Yaghibu Khalidun. Khalid is being absent. No, Khalid is absent, or Khalid will be absent. Sabara yasbiru sabaran, to be patient. So the father patiented. The father was patient. Hazin al-abdu, the servant sadid, the servant was sad, or the servant grieved or was grieved. Sabara an-nabiyyu sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the prophet was patient. Yafrahu an-nas, people will be happy. You understand? It's very simple, but I point it out so that in your translation you know consciously what you're doing. Yes, subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.